Imagine this. You are an Indian engineer working at a tech company in America. You've been in America for 6 years. You have a mortgage. Your kids are in school. Your green card is pending, and one Monday morning, you get the email that your position has been eliminated, effective immediately. Under the current rules, you have 60 days to find a new job or transfer your H1B or make arrangement to leave. 60 days is not a lot, but it is something. It is a safety net. But now the Trump administration wants to take that safety net away completely. So today we'll tell you exactly what is happening and what every Indian on H1B must do right now. Hi everybody, you're watching Ecos Global and I'm your host Neha Upadhyay. So what just happened? Here are the exact facts. The US Department of Homeland Security has put forward a proposal to eliminate the 60-day grace period that currently protects H1B workers after they lose their jobs. The proposal is currently being reviewed by the White House Office of Management and Budget. It has not become law yet. The final text has not been published in the Federal Register. But the direction is very clear and the timeline is moving very fast. DHS has listed this reform under RIN 1615 AD00 with a proposed rule scheduled for August 2026, which means this could become reality very soon. Now, for anyone who may not be fully familiar with this rule, let me explain it very simply. The 60-day grace period was introduced in 2017. Under this rule, if you are on an H1B visa and you lose your American job, you do not have to leave America immediately. You get 60 days. During those 60 days, you can look for a new employer who will sponsor your H1B transfer. You can explore other visa options. You can change your immigration status, or you can make arrangements to wind up your life in America and leave. 60 days. That is the window, and for Indians who are 71% of all H1B workers, this window has been a critical lifeline during layoffs. Especially in 2026 when tens of thousands of Indians have been laid off by Amazon, Meta, Google, Microsoft and dozens of other companies. So what happens if it is eliminated? And I want you to really think about what this means practically. So if the 60-day grace period is eliminated, the moment your employment ends, your legal status in America ends. That same day, you would have to leave the United States immediately unless you can secure another lawful immigration option the same day your job ends. Not in 60 days, the same day. Think about what that means for an Indian family. Your children are in school, your house is on lease, your car is financed, your belongings are in an apartment and you have to leave today. Why? Because your employer sent you a termination email this morning. Republic World confirmed that workers could generally be required to leave the US immediately unless they secure another lawful immigration option. That is the reality this proposal could create. Now you will be asking, why you talking about Indians? Why Indians are the most affected? See, there is a direct connection to Indians and numbers tell the story. According to USCIS data, 3,99,402 H1B petitions were approved in financial year 2024 and 71% of approved beneficiaries were born in India, far ahead of any other country. So when you propose eliminating the 60-day grace period and 71% of H1B workers are Indians, you are essentially targeting Indian professionals specifically, and it goes beyond just H1B. The proposal also covers E1, E2, E3, L1, O1 and TN visa holders and also their dependents, which means H4 spouses, H4 children, all of them would lose their status the moment H1B workers loses their job and entire family displaced overnight. So is this final? See, this proposal is not final. It has not been published in the Federal Register. The White House OMB is still reviewing it, which means the exact scope, the implementation date, and the precise effect on workers are all still uncertain. Hence, India confirmed that the fully regulatory text is not yet publicly available and immigration lawyers are already preparing legal challenges. Why? Because removing a protection that workers have relied on since 2017 without any transition period raises serious legal questions. But here is the thing, the Trump administration has shown repeatedly that it moves fast, and by the time a rule is published, it is often effective immediately, so do not wait for the final rule to start preparing. So right now, if you are on H1B, start building your emergency plan today, not after you get laid off, today. What should you do on day one when you get laid off? Which attorneys would you call? Which companies could you approach? Have a plan ready. Talk to an immigration attorney this week. Understand your specific options if the grace period is eliminated. EB1A, NIW, change of status. Every option, know them now. Also, if your employer has filed an I-140 for you and it has been approved for more than 180 days, you may have AC-21 portability protections. Talk to your attorney about exactly how this new proposal affects your specific situation. And also, this is the high time that you explore employer-independent pathways. EB1A, NIW. These are green card routes. These are not tied to your employer. So if you qualify, start building your profile now, because in a world without a 60-day grace period, employer independence is everything. So that's all in this video. See you in the next one. Till then, this is me, Neha Upadhyay, signing off.